Now what are we doing?
Bacon! Brownies!
And?
Cookies!
Mm.
Here, let Nani pour the rest of it. You said this was 2 tablespoons, right? Okay, dump the rest of it. Make sure it's all in there. You will need 2 tablespoons of water. It's 1. I need 2. Okay.
I don't know how to do eggs.
That's okay. You got to do
I think I know how to do eggs. I know how to do eggs. Crack it. And I'm going to do that.
Hold on, Nani. You're second, Nani.
Oh, yeah, because I'm kind of bad at it.
Alright. And then we need
Can I do that? Wait, are we working together? I'm going second.
Yes,
It
sir.
doesn't matter. We do second. And then 2 eggs.
No, 1.5 cup of oil, which Nani has right now. Now we need 2. No, this is Nani's. Nani's gonna have it. And 2 eggs. Okay, put that in there.
Why does it smell like
Okay, now let Tinley have that. Okay, Tim, hold. Soap right here, baby. Hold it steady.
Why does it smell like peanut
No,
butter?
that would fill up. You gotta hold it even. There you go.
Why does it smell like peanut butter?
Don't touch it. Don't put your fingers in
Ready
there.
for it? Grab it all in there. Because these are peanut butter cookies, so it all goes in there.
Gently. Okay.
I forgot on mine. I should spin it first.
Alright, I'm gonna spin it first so I can get it mixed up. Here, take your thing.
It's already chocolate.
Straight, don't put it on the table.
And then we can re-spin it.
Yep. Maddie will get it.
I like this.
Here, try to smell it now.
I love you too.
That's cool. I love you too, Nani.
That was like good brownies. I'm a chef. Make that the
Because,
cover.
like, everyone was spilling over here. Even you.
Alright. Maddie, your turn.
So,
Now done. I saw that. It looks cool. The flames, it actually looks like a car running over it.
You guys are not impressed.
I smell the peanut
I talk
butter.
to myself. Oh, I messed up the lyrics. Dude.
so that
You
you
want
can
to
put
put
it up here.
it right on that surface?